Hope you all are liking my videos. You may be thinking why my videos are a little lengthy, but the thing is, my videos are not only for cooking, they are secret flavors and fables. So it has Sadhana's flavors also, the way she cooks, the way she prepares her food at her house, and also fables, means the stories attached to it. Meaning when I'm cooking, I'll be talking about something, or before the video, after the video, I'll be talking about something, because I would like to share my experiences and all. So it may look a little lengthy. So if you don't have the time, you can just look at the cooking part and prepare the your dish, whatever you like. And if you have the time on a Sunday or something, you are getting bored, then go and hook on to my some video and just enjoy yourself, because there'll be some interaction and chatting also. So this thing I wanted to share for a long time. So don't mind if my videos are little longer than the others, because I don't want to concentrate only on my cooking. So, and here I would also like to wish everyone good health, be safe, because 2-3 days back we had World Mental Health Day, and I would like to wish everyone to have good mental health. Take care of your mental health. Don't be stressed. If there's anything at all, you can message me, or please go ahead and talk to someone, but see that the stress doesn't enter your system, because it is a silent killer. So these two things I would like to say. So please take care and be. So today is one of my favorite dishes, and it is any Amchi community. Amchi community means Konkani speaking community. Their favorite delicacy, favorite dish, which is a patrodo, which is nothing but steamed arbi leaves roll or colocasia leaves rolls, steamed. I'm going to steam it today, and I'll be showing it. Many people have their own style of making this, but this is the style which I've adapted and everyone likes it. So you can go ahead and try it at your place. If you like it, you go ahead and prepare this way. So here I'll be showing you the ingredients. I have about 3-4 bunches of the colocasia leaves, that is arbi leaves, patroda pana, where I've got it from the shop, and buy it from the shop which you can trust, because these leaves can irritate your throat sometimes. So be careful about that. So I have about 3-4 bunches of these leaves which I have cleaned, and I'll be showing you how to devein them. And for that I have about 1 cup of dosa rice, about 1 cup of tur dal, about 1.5 to 2 cups of coconut. Coconut is the base. If you add more coconut, that is when the texture of the patrodo is very soft and smooth. It will not be hard. Even after 2 days, if you steam or fry it on the tawa, it will be tasty. So about 1.5 to 2 cups, you can say, 2 cups of grated coconut. And this is a little spicier dish. I make it a little spicy. So I have kept about 12 to 13 red badgi chilies, which gives a nice color. And I have a lemon-sized tamarind, because tamarind acts as anti for the throat irritation. So it's better to add a little lemon size. And about hing is the main another ingredient. So you have to take about a teaspoon or about 1.25 teaspoons of hing, that is the asafoetida, salt to taste, and about 2 teaspoons of jaggery. If you want it little more sweet, you can add more. So in this you can make any changes according to your family's taste. So now I will show you how to devein the leaves. So this is the vein. This is the vein of the leaf. Any leaf, they have veins. This is the vein. Vein is not to be added. So you can chop it. That is, you can just slide and just remove the thick part of the vein like this. So remove it. You can see. You can keep the chopping board and do it. But since I'm doing it for the video, I'm showing it just like that. As I mentioned, I have the 1 cup of dosa rice and 1 cup of tur dal, which you soak. I soak it overnight. But 4 hours is enough. But I soak it in the night because I prepare it in the morning. So you soak these two together in the night, overnight or 4 hours. Remove the water and all the ingredients. What you have to do is, this is a tip. When you're adding Badgi chilies, either you soak it a little, soften it and prepare, or if you're making it directly, first add coconut, red chilies, jaggery, salt, tamarind, hing, and grind it first so that they become a little softer. And then add the soaked dal and the rice and make it into a smooth, nearly smooth paste, like how I have kept it here. I have already ground and kept it because not to waste time. So you can see this is the texture I am looking for. And now hope you understood the process. So soak the dal, rice and grind other ingredients together first. Add the soaked dal and rice and make it into a smooth paste like this. And mind you, please taste, because once you put it in the steamer, you can't do anything. So taste it according to your family's taste and prepare this patrodo. How to spread the smear this patrodo. I have separated the leaves. Small ones I have separated and big ones I'll be first keeping the big one. So I make it this way, but in your family, however you make it, you can go ahead and make it. Some people do it the reverse, but in my house, this is the way we have been taught to prepare. Just neatly, just spread it on the kitchen, this one, shelf, what do you say, the ledge, counter, and spread it like this. Nicely smear and spread. So spread one leaf like this on the counter and smear the masala one by one. Nicely you smear, and then keep another leaf anywhere. It can be in any way. This is the way I keep in my house. So this is the way. Just nicely smear one to the other, because these rolls to be steamed. So keep on smearing like this. So you see, this is the way I have nicely smeared. So about 5 to 6 leaves I have put because they are big. Now here also you smear a little so that they act like because it's sticky, they act like gum. When you roll, they don't fall off or they don't get out of the roll. They don't separate, I mean. Now what you do is nicely roll it. Nicely hold them together. Nicely roll it. Many people tie a thread, but I feel it is okay. It's not necessary to have. In the meanwhile, I have kept my steamer. The steamer I have kept ready. So what I'll do is, each roll I will place in my steamer, which I had already kept about 10 minutes before, so that the steam gets accumulated inside. So just close it, keep it on high flame, and now we'll make the second roll. Now I'm smearing the other roll. Are you enjoying this video? It's interesting and it's very tasty. First, I didn't know how to smear this, but trial and error method, I learned it. And now I think I've mastered it. I should ask people who all taste my food. As you can see, I'm smearing one top of the other, like how I did for the first roll. This is the way. Nicely keep smearing. These leaves are, because I bought it from the shop, they are quite big. We have in-house plants also. Those are quite smaller. So the masala maybe slightly more you'll have to apply. I think it's enough because they are quite big. But I'll add one here. For this coconut, mind you, coconut, please be wholehearted and don't shy away from adding coconut to this, because that is the base and it has to be more. If you're miserly, if you add the coconut, then they become hard and you will not enjoy it. Then you may think, what has Sadhana told? What is the video? What is she telling? So please don't blame me later, because I keep on telling, for whatever you have to add coconut, you have to add. Otherwise, don't prepare it. My funda in life is simple. You want to enjoy, then enjoy wholeheartedly. Otherwise, don't do it just because for the sake of it. Isn't it? Especially food. Food has to be wholehearted and you have to enjoy the dish. You have to enjoy the process. You have to enjoy the preparation and it should look. As you can see, with the 5 sets of the leaves which I had bought from the shop, I've made 3 big rolls. So now I'll be steaming it. Steaming it for people have they are very time conscious. They may keep for 20 minutes, 25 minutes. No, I don't believe in it. I feel it should be cooked, because it has a compound of getting irritated in your throat. So it should be fully steam cooked. So I shamelessly, without any hesitation, I keep it for almost 45 minutes to 1 hour. I don't mind the time. I don't mind the gas getting wasted, because in the end of the day, the dish should be completely cooked. It may cook within 20-25 minutes also, but for me, I feel I'm used to this method of cooking. So as I said, again, it's up to you, your family, how you people go ahead do it. So you do it according to that. This is my style of cooking. So now it's 45 minutes to 1 hour is over. So you can see I have prepared this patrode. Stuffed arbi leaves with masala are smeared, and you can see it's patiently it has cooked. You can see it is just so soft. My finger is going inside. That's why I mentioned some time back. About 2 cups of coconut is a must for a cup of dal and rice. See, you can just see it's just going inside. That means you can imagine it is going to be so soft. So now I will slice and plate the patrode. So as you can see, I made stuffed masala patrodo. That is the stuffed rolls, steamed rolls with masala inside. And this is how it looks. I have kept coconut oil. You can eat it with any oil you want, with butter, ghee, but we prefer with coconut oil. That is the combination. So this is how it looks. So you can see my soft patrodo. You can see it's so soft. And now I'll be doing my tasting session. Long time I've not tasted, last 2-3 videos I think. So today I'll be tasting. I'll be adding coconut oil to this. Everything is perfect. The tamarind, the salt, jaggery, chilies, everything is perfect. So if you taste the food before you prepare, it will be the best thing. You are your best taster. And yeah, you keep your family's even how they like. That also you have to keep it in mind and prepare it according to that. But your taste buds have to be very strong. So hope you enjoyed my today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to motivate me to do better. I don't think anyone is surprised. I don't like to market my video like many people. But if you subscribe and like and share, it will motivate me, because for me cooking is a passion and I would like to show off my cooking to others and help others to cook. So thank you everyone.